Hey guys, Dr. Decks here. Today I want to give you an update on what's going on with our current deck project. So if you like what you see today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. All right, so I think the last time you guys got an update, we were sanding and sanding and sanding and sanding and sanding and sanding. And now that all that sanding's done, we were able to install our curved surface borders into the deck. So those are done. They've been completely Cortex plugged and they're finished. And so we basically have the center of this design done, but we still have to do our perimeter boards and all of our surface borders today. So what you see now is the completed inside. We did kind of a weave look, so it kind of looks like one set of the borders goes underneath the other set on one side, and then it kind of switches, which you can't see over here because plywood in the way. There's some concrete guys coming today to pour a slab for the swim spa. But basically what we did was we're able to get all this installed, which was probably the most complicated part of this deck build. Very time consuming, very structural, and just a lot of labor. So now that that's finished, we can continue on and get the rest of the surface borders done. The reason for this pattern was I don't like to have any seams in my deck that are unintentional. So if we're running boards and there's a seam board or a board that seams over a joist or something like that, I don't want those just randomly placed throughout the deck. I like to run everything to a certain length and then have an intentional break. It's better for the health of the deck, it's better for the health of the framing, and it keeps everything put together a lot nicer than if you're just running random spaces all over the deck. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. I've seen it done a jillion times. I used to do it as well. Random length decks can be cool too, but it's just not my preference. It's not my style of build, and so I do it this way. This is a more costly, more time-consuming, and more effort-based way to go, but it's just the way I build. So there you go. And right now, we have finished up Cortexing all of those boards, and now I can start fitting and finishing all the edge borders like you see over here. This board's been cut to length, it's all squared up, it's been sanded out, and it's ready to be installed. So I'm going to go ahead and start installing this board, and then I'm going to finish up these two little pieces, and then I'm going to start going in and doing the rest of the outside edges of this side of the deck over here. If we manage to get all that done, we're probably going to shag butt and let the concrete guys do their thing. So we're not tripping over each other. So I'm trying to get this side done in case somebody shows up and wants to start building their form, and then I can focus on the outside curves and the rest of this other stuff on this deck. When you're doing something and you know that it's getting covered by the stairs, but you still have to make it nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw today, you learned a little something about surface borders, please click that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Like our videos and give us a comment below. I'll try to get back to you in a timely fashion. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.